So let me share this link to all so that people join in. So these are the levels I have shared. So if you have any so I will come live. Give me 2 seconds. Just opening the charts. Let's see. So so here, as I said, we take the closing price. Let's take the closing price of 54,200 call. Okay, 54,200 call already I have taken, which is 54,200 call 123, right? 54,200 call 123, and let's look at the put side. Already the levels I have marked. Previous days also was marked. So this, I'm just working on that kind of an indicator. You can say 20. Hey, 54,200 call also closing was 123.55, 3.55, and what was the, okay, this was 123.7. So if you see what is the target, final target 183, which is done, right? So that's how the market is. Okay, I will so if any questions you can ask in the chat box. I'm just okay. So, and but time with futures I have also marked. Let me share. What is this? 10 o'clock closing 54,209. Okay, which is already put. So what is the buying level? 259, 356, second target. Correct. Let me copy this. So let me remove all this drawings and all this. Okay, let me remove this also. So this is 10 o'clock level. Okay, if I take the 5 o'clock level, then selling as a, right? Okay, now in fact, sorry, I mean 5-minute candle. This is a 10 a.m. 5463. Yeah? No, there is some 356 is the first target. So what is the high made? Let me mark 54 to 59. right? Since it is buying level, we'll make it blue. 259. 59. Target is 356. Correct. First target is done. What is the next target? 54,445. 54,454. Okay. See this 54,698. If it does, then what is this? 54,698. Let's mark that also. Okay. 54,698. But that also will be a reversal zone. Okay. 54,551. Right. Now 161 was sell. Let us put that also. Red. We'll put it in for red. So 161. Red color. And then 54,63. 54,063. But please remember this level after 10. Okay, yeah, after 10 it got active, hit first target and then reversed. All right, now we'll go to Nifty. What is Nifty? 54,628, 672. 24,628. Okay, 628. 672. Next target. Oh, 672. Okay. So second target, sorry, first target is hit. What is the next target? 717. Let us see if this 717 also will hit. 717. Okay. According to me, if this level, if it's I feel it will come down like this and then hit back. Okay. This is my view. Okay. Let us see. Uh, Now, so let me show you Jubilant war. This was yesterday. So let me remove. Okay. 10 o'clock level. Let us take. Where is 10? There's no 10 o'clock candle. 9:55 and 10. Okay, let me take the call side at least. Okay. Oh, this is September, so hence this thing. So let me do one thing. We'll take the spot levels. 10 o'clock Jubilant Food spot level. Okay. Closing was 637.85. 637.85. Okay, let me take this because this is futures. I had taken this futures and posted in the channel. Ten o'clock. See, there is no much volume. 637.85. 637 point. Okay. See, just because this target is mentioned, it doesn't need to give hit. Okay. uh, adjusted levels for us to trade. मैंने यहाँ से टारगेट नॉट टारगेट आउट हिट सर, टारगेट नॉट हिट. अरे भाई टारगेट हिट होगा. लेवल फॉलो करो, हाई लेवल. ओके. मोस्ट अंडरस्टैंड मोस्ट अंडररेटेड trader ready to cross or unbeatable. Eh? Most underrated. Love you from Gujarat. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for your. Thank you. Love you guys. Okay. I'm making my strategy simple. Okay. For making it easy, see, I won't tell you to follow this completely. This is levels. Okay. Now, whether there is buying pressure, selling pressure, all that you use your other skills, your other price action skills. Okay. Now here, let me take example, jubilant food. Okay, I'll take jubilant food. What is happening in jubilant food? If you notice, it has been coming down. So what is the trade setup? It is a sell setup. Simple, no? See, just taking 4 hours. Here a sell came, here selling came, here again selling came. But what happened? Opened 665. Correct? Where it opened? 665. I think you can see this candle, right? 665. And then what happened? Selling. So you have to be very careful in this trading. It's not what you all think. Okay. Mm, 1 second. I'm just looking at trying to reply to some WhatsApp. So simple, right? There is selling pressure. Okay, just by one simple trend line. Now let's look at different time frames. Monthly. Okay. What is happening here? There was huge selling pressure here. Correct? There is good buying pressure here. Again, there is buying pressure here. And market is stuck in this zone. Simple price action. These simple price actions you have to understand and trade, not blindly follow some indicators and all that. Okay, I gave some tool. No, don't blindly follow. Take Reliance now. Okay, take Reliance again. uh, what is happening in this? There was some bit of a upside, right? Correct. But if you also notice, it's trading in the range. It's consolidating. Okay, now we look at this. What happened here? But the moment it goes up, people say, "Oh my God, this was a breakout." Okay, how many days? 2, 3 days. It broke this zone. I agree. It broke this, but how many days? See the selling. It broke that, came down, right, and then it's moving down again. There are a lot of chart patterns you need to notice. Okay. There seems to be some internet issue. Okay, reconnected. Now see Infosys. Where is Infosys? People say this was a strong support. They started buying. Okay, then what happened? Completely like this. Now what is the pattern being formed? It is forming a type of a cup. It may form a handle or it may form a W also. So that for that we need to patiently wait and see whether it forms. Okay, please put your questions here. I will try and uh, answer them. Okay, give me a minute, please. I will be live for another 1 hour. Please. Good boy, come. We have a small pet dog. Today I'm doing babysitting for this guy. Bah, come, come dear. Okay. And for your information, let me share the screenshot. Infosys, I had already expected this. Okay, I had shared this to my Jubilant. Also, I was expecting, and this is levels I have shared. Naughty boy. Okay. Now let's see what's happening here. Okay. So this is call side. Okay. What else that I have shared? What is the level I have shared? 54 200 call. Okay. Or what is this giving? We'll see whether it has worked or not. We'll also see that. See 109 below is sell. 109. Okay. 139 is buy. 139. Then what's the next target? 153. This is small according to me, but right now the volume, I mean the volatility is low because monthly expiry 168, very low target. So, but all targets fit. No, 250 was made, right? Okay, let me copy this and share. See what is the final target. If above this level, then the next jump will be direct to 28 is what I mentioned. What is that I made? To 28 or 28, correct? Has it hit? Yes, it is hit. So even the final target will hit. Okay, friends, please understand. I am already telling you, one, I am not claiming that this strategy will work all the time. Okay, because Tuesday, Sensex, my, see here, for minutes, few minutes, it went above my buy level. And then it was there in this no trade zone. After it, in fact, it gave this. See, this is all fake outs, fake trades. See, here it went up and then see how it broke. Same happened with Nifty, and not with Nifty, only with Sensex. Bank Nifty and Nifty on Tuesday was bearish completely. Okay, completely bearish. Now let us see whether these levels will work. I will wait for this to come down completely because Bank Nifty also we have to observe. Okay, now it is near this level, correct? Now 54 200 put also I'll mark for you. I already kept the levels. One 38 above is buy. 138 after 10 o'clock only, na? So after 10 o'clock, yeah, 138 it has actually triggered. 168. I'll put the third target 183. Final target 227. I don't think came. It almost came. So today you can see what happened after 10 o'clock closing, correct? 10:05 it triggered. First target, second, final also almost hit. Put side and the call side. Now what is happening? 109 below I am sell, correct? Let me make it red. See, there's no much of effort here. 64 is the final target. Okay, I am not at 64 is the final target. Correct. So both the sides trade has happened today. But is this easy for you to follow? You can let me know if you have challenges to follow this. No problem. I'll try to make this more simpler. I'm making this as a now, but open interest data I cannot take in PyScript, so Excel only I can do. Now, if you have any questions, you may ask, and then I'll be glad to, you know. Okay. Now, whether the put side will trigger, call side will trigger. I think call side only is triggering. Let's look at Nifty 24,650. Let me take 24,650. Nifty 24,650. Right? Okay. 10 a.m. 23.80. 24,650 CE 23.80. Okay. 10 a.m. 68.95. Put side 68.95. $77 and then 86. Okay, we'll take 94. We'll take the final target 1 or 2 and we don't need to. So this is 10 a.m. Correct. After 10:05 it hit the final target from 77 102. Now let's look at call side. Sorry, put side. No, this is call now. 27 and then what is the final target? 35 and 44. Correct. Now has it hit the final target? 44 is the final target. Yes, it is done. It is moving up much up. So anyway, so it may move higher also. 24,700. Okay. Uh, did the put side, sorry, short side trigger? Yes, short side also I think triggered. 21. So if you notice, after 10 o'clock, put side triggered. After 10:30, call side triggered. So half of between 10 and 11 itself, your trades are done. See now what we have to observe. I think the next trade I will tell you will be somewhere at 12:30. Okay. This also futures also, let me copy and keep it. Seven one seven also is the next target. Let's see if this. So according this, you can even take trade for options. Okay. Sorry, I had to. I told you I'm doing a bit of babysitting at home. Taken off. Now, if this 674 also kind of sustains, then the next target is 717, 827 will be the final target. Okay, so I'm not expecting 827, I'm just telling you. Okay, these levels will work that way. So 672 is done. We need to see whether it sustains and then hits the are we seeing any good buying pressure? Let me see whether this will sustain. See this levels is sharing is a big, not a big task for us. Whether it will sustain and is also something which people would love to know, right? So let us see. Nifty 24 677. Okay, 672. Correct. According to me, it should sustain. Yeah, six. Okay. So I'll give another different level, 699. This level, if it sustains, this level, if it sustains, we don't need to see this. It will easily hit 736. Okay. What is my level? So I would expect this price to come down and then move up. So we'll wait. Okay. Correct. Oh, So somebody is angel 123,000 above 120. Let us see if it would work. 23,000 angel 1, 23,000. Okay. I wonder why he is given, but some people are asking me whether gold it will work. Okay, let me show you whether this works on gold. So I here in this case I will take uh, either I take the 4 o'clock or 4:15. I'll take closing price. Okay, gold. What are the closing price? 3395.895. 3395.89 I'll put. Now let's see. I'll put this. This is gold target. 93 below short. And what's the final target? 3375. Oh god. So 3381 is done so far. No. 87 is done. 87 is done. 81 is expected. Correct. And 75. Okay. This is gold. Let me share this in the channel as well. Let me share it in the channel. No? What is the hurry? I already shared the levels for Nifty futures. Right? I've already told what will happen. All you need to do is wait and watch. See, I told you it will come down to this level and then bounce back. Now, where is Swift future? Okay. So, Bank Nifty future, we'll see whether it will hit all targets. Now, this also, I think, will come down till 30 or maybe 38 and then bounce. Both will follow almost. Okay. Both will follow almost the same. So, any questions on the index or stocks, please ask. We shall guide. It's free. Stock options also. Give me any stock option. Okay, share levels for intraday. The two guys who have given me top fans, they're top fans of me, correct? Awesome. Love it. Yeah. So let's come back. So as I told you, it has come down. I'm expecting this to go higher. What can be the next target is a big question, right? Mm, let me put it in 5 minutes. Okay. But since this is monthly expiry, all these things, options have to be careful because premium killing also will be high, volatility also will be high. Wow. Seems like Bank Nifty is heavily strong. Okay. So should we take 20, 54, 350? We have taken 20. Okay, we'll take 54, 300. 300 call and put. Okay, we'll take this. Put has come first. So let me take the closing price of 1030. Okay. So the left hand level will give me 88. 54, 300 CE. Okay. Right now market is bullish, so outside I don't need to see. I'll take 1030 closing now. 88. 109. It's already done 109. 162 is the next target for this. It's already done 162. Okay, we'll take 130 above. We'll do that. We sustains above 130. What is the target? 162. It's not a big target. Okay, now this on this upside, on this, if it sustains this, then I look for buying 54 300 call. Okay, if it sustains above 355, correct. So I expect this to come down to 133 and then maybe hit this high, or I will wait for 12 o'clock to 12:30. Big players sometimes come at that time also. Now people will ask me, how do I know that big players will come at 12:30? You wait and watch. Wait and watch, Sir G. 9:30 candle. Okay, let me look at another thing. So spot I have clean, so I can look at this. Wait, previous days, previous 3 days, 215, 215. This one. According to me, these are two levels market has to test. Oh, this is Bank Nifty. Okay, wait. I'll put it for Nifty. Not I did a small mistake. I'll give the levels. Wait. Okay. Nifty needs to test. Nifty what needs to test these two levels. Okay, but not today. Next to 1 week, we need to see whether it can test these levels. Okay. Bank Nifty spot. Okay, I'll tell you. Bank Nifty, these two levels. Next 1 week, these two levels are important. Magic. It can create some magic there. I'm telling you. Right now, whoever has watched this, keep this in your radar. What I need to see, go back and see. Wait, before I make this strong statement. Also, please remember my target for Nifty is possibly this gap, okay, and this gap. They need to be filled, no? This gap is almost filled. No, almost. See, now this levels may be tested and then come down. So where is this Eloy wave? I don't know. Impulse. Okay, let me see. This is a strong impulse to a 4, 5. Now, a correction. This is a correction we have done. Maybe it's already done, or maybe it will come here and this. Maybe this and then this. Let us see. I'm not bullish, neither I'm bearish. I'm just following the market. Okay. I have already given the levels. As I told you, it needs to come here, take this, touch this level, and then go back. Okay. Market will be flat like this, slow and boring. So don't expect some excitement in the market. already given. No? What is required? Okay, so let's take a break. Mm, okay, what stocks was I looking at today? I was looking at these stocks: Infosys, Fortis, UPL, JSWL. These are on my radar. These are some of my, what do you say, Ratan India also I'm holding. Okay, few stocks I have shared in the channel. You can check. Oh goodness, Ratan India, Ratan India, Ratan India. Nifty spot and bank nifty spot levels for next few days shared on YouTube. Right. Okay. So, mm, okay. Anybody holding? Okay. Which are the stocks I'm looking at? I'm looking at. Okay. Jubilant. I already shared my view. Right. What am I looking? I'm looking at sell at every until this line is kind of a sustain. So I will possibly look to buy this only above this level. Okay. Yeah, above this level. Strong buying. Weak buying. We already in fact have bought. My stop loss is somewhere at this level, 624. We have bought. In the next, I will look at buying. This is my buying level. Okay, it's weak buying level, but strong buying level. Very strong when I say confident buying level is above this. My weak buying level is about here, this level. Okay. Same. Let us look at Reliance on HDFC. HDFC Reliance is bearish. I would not look at. Somehow I'm not confident on Reliance at the moment. This was a fake move. See, I'm expecting Reliance to go further down. Okay, how much down? Oh, I can't get this here, is it? Okay, then I'll use this. I'm expecting somewhere at this level. Okay, maybe slightly lower. Sorry, let me mark it correctly for you all. So positional, if you want to short, you can short Reliance, but wait for this pullback. for final target. Array. Okay. So 1300 possible. We will look to short at this level. Okay. We will wait for this pullback and then short. So by the time our Nifty also will pull back a little, right? Hopefully. Hopefully this and this. And the bank Nifty, hopefully this and this level. So I'm not telling it has to, okay? I'm telling the possibility of it to pull back. Okay, friends, thank you. Thank you all for your time. This level's already shared. I don't think I need to. Do you have anywhere the WhatsApp channel? Call side. Uh, uh, okay, it's here now. So maybe it will pull back to these levels and then go back. So we'll see. It's there in the channel. If no coherence, then I'll close in another 5 minutes.